Hey everyone, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and today I'm going to walk you through one of our most powerful features, the power dialer. If you are ready to say goodbye to time-consuming manual dialing and hello to faster, smoother outreach, you are going to absolutely love this. What is a power dialer? Well, the power dialer is your secret weapon to connecting leads more efficiently. It automates the dialing process from your contact pipeline so you can spend less time punching in numbers and more time doing what matters most, building relationship and closing those deals. But here's a quick heads up. The power dialer enhances efficiency with a semi-automated system that gives you greater control and personalization in your outreach and is compliant with the TCPA rules around automated dialing. So how to set up the power dialer? Well, that starts in dialer automation. So on the left-hand side of your screen, we're going to click on where it says dialer automation, and this is where you're going to actually set up your task. To add a task, you're going to click here to where it says add tags. This is going to give you the full flexibility to personalize your workflow. Each task has a description box that allows you to distinguish each personal task that you actually create. So first thing you're going to do is actually put in the title of it, put it in the description, and then you can actually choose your actions on what happens after the phone call. So you can add them to a pipeline, tag it, add it to a campaign, add personal notes, or send a direct message. Once you have that complete, we're going to keep going. Next, we're going to actually set up your voicemail drops. That's right, you can actually leave a voicemail in Textdrip. We got you. So below dial automation, we're going to click here to where it says voicemail drops. It's really easy. You're going to click here to where it says add voicemail. Now from here, we give you guys several different options. You can name it, and then from here, you can either upload a file with that voicemail. You can record it from here. You can click on text to speech. And once you click on file upload, you can also choose your file here at the bottom. Once you do that, you're going to click on submit and you have now made your voicemail drop. And yes, you can create as many different voicemails as you want. Next, we're going to actually create a power dialer pipeline. So to get to the power dialer pipeline, first we're going to go here to pipelines. And then right next to contact pipelines, we're going to actually click on where it says power dialer pipeline. Now from here, we're going to actually create a brand new pipeline. So to do that, we're going to actually click here to where it says power dialer pipeline. Now you can come up with different names for your power dialer pipeline, like hot leads or priority leads or even follow-up. I'm going to go ahead and put in hot leads in here. Then you can choose a color. Since it's hot, let's go ahead and change that to red, and then click on submit. Once you do that, you have now made your own power dialer pipeline, which you can actually see. You see, we have several different ones in here. You'll see here how to import your leads into your power dialer pipeline. Well, let's go back to that contact pipeline. Once you're inside the contact pipeline, you're going to actually click on the curved arrow here in the top right-hand corner on the top of any pipeline that you already have. From here, you're going to actually choose the pipeline, well, the power dialer pipeline you would like for it to go into, hot leads. Once you click on add, you have now added your customers there. So let's go back to the power dialer pipeline. If we scroll down to our hot leads, you will now see the customers that were there now inside of the hot leads. But before we actually start dialing, let's add our leads from our contacts. Right from the contact page, you can add your customers. On the right-hand side of the page, you're going to go to actions. You're going to go down to where it says add to power dialer. And you can do this for any of your customers. You're going to select the power dialer pipeline you would like for them to go to. Then click on add. That's it. What's next? Well, you can actually start calling your leads. To call your leads, you just have to click here on the play icon. Once you actually click on the play icon, it's going to start calling through your customers. Just a heads up, it uses primary numbers only. The power dialer currently only uses the primary number that is on file. And it also gives you a lead info glance. So when you connect the call, you're able to see the lead details right in a dialer window. And if you need to hang up, click on the red button and you'll see the actions like notes, tasks, or next step. This you can also leave a voicemail. Just end the call before the voicemail tone. Your voicemail drop will take care of the rest. You can click on the recorder icon while it's dialing. This will drop the voicemail and end the current calls. You can also update lead details, skip the lead, or just skip to next and keep it moving. Once you've gone through all your leads, the system will let you know all calls completed. At this point, start all over again with a brand new task or a different pipeline, or simply enjoy the time that you actually save by calling through your customers using our power dialer pipeline. Pro tip, before you start dialing, don't forget to go to settings and go to Textdrip Dialer Access. From here, you're going to make sure that you are enabling your Textdrip Dialer. This is going to make sure that everything runs completely smoothly. And that's it. The Power Dialer pipeline is a perfect way to streamline your outreach, boost your productivity, and stay in control. Thanks for tuning in. Now go make those calls and close those deals. For more information about the Power Dialer, you can always book a demo, use the help tabs, or go to textdrip.com. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.